I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
The floof is being a little moody, and she has a case of resting floof face.
No, go lay down. Look what you did. Yeah.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Give me my beauty sponge. Mika, give it. Mika?
Act like something scared you to your dog.
Oh my God, what's that?
Can you tell the dog is sick of this shit?
I love you. Do you love me? You love me too? Yes!
Hey Kylo, can I tell you something? You know how we have this quarantine? And we've been working from home? Well, I have some bad news. We have to go back. I know, eventually. I don't know when, but eventually.
Huh?
Baby, what is all that?
No, it's not that. This is yours. Yes.
Baby.
What's that? Huh? Scared of the kids?
She's not scary, right, Mika? You're not scary.
How are you gonna do? You're gonna... Yes, you're gonna do like, ow! Yes, Mika. Yes, like this.
Like that? Yes!
How, Mika?
What are you doing? Stop. 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 Thanks. No.
Got a new ball to show you. No, Skya, you have to be nice with the ball, okay? Be nice with it. What? Yes, it is. Yes, it is, Skya. Skya, look at it. Skya!
Did you go in the treat bag? Yeah, you did. You can't go in. Oh, stop it. You can't go in. Maya, you can't get... No, you can't get treats. You can't... Oh my gosh, you can't get treats.
What did you do, Mika?
Mika, what was that? What was that?
You did that.
Skya, what is this? What is this? What? You want it back? You want it back?
No more fireworks. He's getting very worked up. We need anxiety medication so you're not so anxious. Oh no.
Get down. What the? Down. I said down. Get down. Who do you think you are? Down.
QB, do you want watermelon? Alright. There you go.
Can you say woo? Good boy, can you say woo? Good boy, can you say I love you? Good boy, can you say hello? Good boy.
What are we gonna do? We gonna get ready for bed? Okay. Let's wash your face. Oh, wash your eyes. Oh my goodness. Okay, good job. Put some lotion on. Wait. Oh, put your lotion on for nighttime. And what's this? It's time to brush your teeth. Okay. You ready to brush your teeth? You ready to brush your teeth? And that's the routine.
Skya, what is this? What is this? What? You want it back? You want it back?